Hi, this is Simon. Today I will show you the way I do gardening. I started this gardening since February. So I'll show you some of the plants or vegetable that I already started planting outside. Yeah, today it's May, which is almost end of spring. From February, it's winter, too cold. This is why it's not good that vegetable will be sent to the backyard. So I'll show you now some of the vegetable I'm going to plant at the garden, okay? God bless, and here it is. So this is it, yeah? The thing I'm going to plant: potato, carrots, and tomatoes. Although I've got already some vegetable that I have put there at the garden. Greenhouse, these are the greenhouse doing at the moment. I put different vegetables like chili, lettuce, even apple, that's the apple, plum, and other seeds like Brussels sprouts. And this is the other one. Same chili, lettuce, plum. There's the plum. And later I'll show you there my garden, yeah? I put everything in there. So I hope that you will enjoy. I started this since February, doing this indoors greenhouse. So because the weather is getting good here at UK, so I will start now to do the planting in the garden. And hope you will enjoy, yeah? Okay, God bless and take care. Hope to see you soon. And this is Simon. Please subscribe, and I will give you some ideas on how you can make or do gardening during this quarantine, lockdown, and how you can make your garden a much more organic, profitable, good to eat vegetable. Okay, hope to see you soon. Okay, God bless. See you there. Go to the garden now.